Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijaऊ Jnanatirtha Vidyalay Pathroad Parvani. Today we have to see the general science of standard 6th. In that we are in the 4th chapter. In the last lecture we have seen the information about the 3rd chapter. So friends, see what events do you see in these pictures. There is a earthquake, after that flood, storm, forest fire. All these disasters we can see the picture present on the screen. What will you have done in this situation? Have you experienced such a situations yourself? Why do these events occur? See, first of all, disaster. There is a forest fire, storms, volcanic eruption, flood and earthquake. In 1993, many people died due to the earthquake at Killari in Latur district. Even today, people of Mumbai shudder at the memory of July 2005 when many people had lost their lives in the deluge caused by heavy rainfall or rain. See the first picture, that is from the Killari in Latur district. There is a earthquake in 1993. In that earthquake many people died. Okay, next, in July 2014 the whole village of Malin in Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district was destroyed in a matter of minutes due to a landslide. Many got buried under the heaps of soil and stone and lost their lives. See, you can observe the condition after this disaster come. Okay, see, in November 2015 many people die due to the flooding caused by heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. See, these are the disasters happen before some years ago. What is disaster? A sudden event that cause large scale damage to life, property and social aspect of a nation or a society is called disaster. This disaster not comes to given some instructions, that comes suddenly and that cause large scale damage to life, property and social aspect of nations. This disaster in this year also you have observed in different parts of India. Because of that disaster there is lot of damage to the life, property, crops that is present in the farms. Some animals also die because of this flood. So this is very dangerous. So we have to take precaution to save life of our colleagues and other peoples of our village, and with the help of some instruction, with the help of some information, we can save the life of peoples or animals. What disaster can occur in the school or on the way to school? There is a earthquake or other disaster also come in this area. According to you, what can be done to deal with such a disaster? So for that, to deal in the better, we have to know information about this disaster and what precaution we have to take in such conditions also. Okay, see next, how and why do the following disaster occurs? See, flood due to heavy rainfall. If there is a greater rainfall when occur, after that there is a flood like condition we can observe. Next, an earthquake, lightning and volcanic eruption, etc. The earthquake is occurred due to the movement in the internal part of the earth. Lightning, when two clouds stuck on each other, the lightning is formed, and that lightning connect to the part that is greater in height. After that, volcanic eruption, the weaker section of the earth, in that section the volcano comes out of the earth. Next, forest fire. In forest fire, two plants are rub on each other and there is a formation of fire. In that plants there is a lot of grass and forest. After creating this forest, that forest take large proportion acquired in a short duration, and in that forest fire lot of peoples, lot of plants and animals also burn. Increase risk due to high density of population in limited areas like Mumbai or other metro cities. Rampant and irregular construction. Ecological imbalance. Last is the terrorism, riots and crimes resulting in bomb explosion, assaults, fire and accident, etc. Disaster are of two main kinds of, man-made and natural. So friends, we have to classify in a two column, that is man-made disaster and natural disaster. Classify the following disaster as man-made and natural. Fire, natural. Earthquake is a natural disaster. Leakage of chemical gases, this is a man-made disaster. Storms, natural disaster. Floods, natural disaster. Tsunami, natural disaster. Bomb explosion, man-made disaster. Collapse of building, natural. After that, war, this is a man-made disaster, and forest fire is a natural disaster. So on the basis of the originating that disaster, we can separate or classify the disaster into main kinds of. First one is the man-made and second is the natural disaster. Okay, the next topic we have to study in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.